ready to transform your Facebook feed with eye-catching reels that grab attention. First, open your Facebook app and look for the Reels icon. It's typically located either at the top or bottom of your screen. Tap it to jump into the world of Facebook Reels. Once you're in the Reels section, tap on the Create button. This usually has a camera icon or a plus sign to start crafting your masterpiece. Now, let's get creative. You can record a new video directly within the app or upload existing footage from your phone's gallery. Experiment with different shots and angles to make your reel visually appealing. Music is key to a captivating reel. Tap the music icon to browse through Facebook's extensive music library, preview different tracks, and choose one that complements your video's vibe. Next, spice things up with effects. Explore the Effects tab and add filters to change the look and feel of your video, or use augmented reality effects to add fun elements. Add text to convey your message or add context to your reel. Tap the text tool, type in your desired text, choose a font, color, and placement to make it visually appealing and easy to read. Fine-tune your reel with the editing tools. Trim your video clips, adjust the audio levels, and add transitions to create a seamless and professional reel. Before sharing, write a compelling caption that describes your reel and encourages engagement. Add relevant hashtags like #FacebookReels and #video creation to reach a wider audience. Finally, tap the share button to publish your reel on Facebook. Now sit back, relax, and watch your views and engagements. So don't forget to keep experimenting and creating engaging content.